Welcome to Honors Physics Podcast. This is an explanation of Chapter 7, question number 25 from Cutler and Johnson. In this problem, we have a tackler who is tackling a football receiver. Our receiver catches the ball and has a mass that I will call mr, and the mass of the tackler is mt. The receiver is initially stationary, so the initial velocity of the receiver is 0. The initial velocity of the tackler is equal to 4.5 meters per second. And the tackler is running toward the receiver. The after picture is a collision, so they stick together in a larger mass, represented here by the larger dot. They're moving to the right at a speed of 2.6 meters per second, and they have a combined mass of mt plus mr. Now we are looking to find a value for the mass of the receiver. So in looking at this problem, we see that it is a collision, so momentum is conserved. Our initial momentum, because the receiver is not moving, is just equal to the mass of the tackler times the velocity of the tackler. The mass of the tackler we are given as 115 kilograms, and we multiply that by 4.5 meters per second. So we get a value of our initial momentum equal to 517.5 kilograms meters per second. Because this is a collision, that means that our final momentum must be equal to our initial momentum. So let's take a look at our expression for our final momentum. Our final momentum's expression is equal to the mass of the tackler times the velocity of the tackler plus the mass of the receiver times the final velocity of the receiver. And both of these will be final velocities. But a unique thing happens here in that they are moving away at the same speed. So we are able to combine those velocities and add together the masses. It is as though they are one large mass that is moving off to the right, which is essentially what's happening in this problem. So our velocity is 2.6. The mass of our tackler is 115, and we're still looking for the mass of the receiver. But we do know from up here how much that expression has to equal. It has to equal our 517.5. And so when you solve this, expand out the 2.6 to both of those terms, you end up with a mass of the receiver equal to 84 kilograms. This is question number 25 in Chapter 7, Momentum, of Cutler and Johnson.